Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at that very popular and very powerful Stihl 056 AV Magnum. This is the 81cc motor, and the dry weight on this is 20.7 pounds. This saw is capable of running up to a 42-inch bar. This one has a 32-inch bar and chain with a sprocket nose bar and a chisel bit semi-skip Stihl branded chain. Very smooth, very popular chain for cutting some big wood. And we'll take a look at it. It's got that K&N filter, and there's they built special adapters for these to run these K&N filters, and I'll show you what it looks like. These are very popular when these saws came out, and it just made that servicing that air cleaner so much better, and it made the saw run better. And it's just a K&N filter is what it is, and you just use K&N oil on it. It's real easy to maintain. The professional model, it's got the big double dogs, full wrap handlebar, and it's just a good working chainsaw. We'll go out to the log yard here and make a couple cuts with it.